In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mote with Google Slides in order to insert audio. So the first thing you're going to have to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store and install the Mote extension. That's M-O-T-E. Install that extension. Once you have that extension installed, you'll see it up in your extensions bar up here. But then the other place you're going to find it is when you open up Google Slides, you'll find it here. You'll see like a little purple circle with this is the Mote icon. And the first time that you use this, you are going to have to go through a series of accepting the Google Terms of Service because as you normally do whenever you open up something brand new and it integrates with anything Google. Right, so after you've done all that and you've signed in, you will be able to add a voice note directly to your Google slide. You only have 30 seconds to add a note. So it's a 30-second note, up to 30 seconds. If you want to pay for it, then I believe you can pay for more time. But the free version does just fine for most purposes that I would think that you would need to use it for when you're giving instructions. All right. So let me show you how to add the actual voice note to the Google slide. So I'm going to click on the icon and then watch what happens. Tree. Okay, so now I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and insert this, but if I wanted to, I could trash it. I could play it in order to listen to myself, and I can just start again, but I'm going to go ahead and click insert. And then I wait for just a little bit. And then the audio icon will be created, and I can move this icon anywhere I need to. So I'll put this one up here. I can change the size even if I wanted to. Make it bigger. I can make it smaller. And if I wanted to change the color, I could go to recolor and change it to be a different color. If I wanted my voice note to start playing automatically when the slide opened up, then I could choose this button right here of when it starts playing. I also have the ability to loop the audio so it keeps on going, or I can have it stop on the slide change. Now for my purposes, I'm going to leave it on click. So now when I share this with my students, they're going to see the little icon. They're going to hover their mouse over it and press play. Tree. And that is how you easily add voice notes to Google Slides. Thanks for watching.